Tsecho Mabasa. He's getting used to these hat tricks now. Another one, Tsecho, but it was a team effort all around. I'm talking about the first 2 goals where it looks easy, but it's a collective effort, and then obviously the third one, sublime.
First of all, I'd like to say thank you to the Almighty, for this talent and opportunity again. Not our best of performances today. Yes, we managed to get through to the next round, which was, I think, the most important thing today. But it was just a matter of us taking our chances throughout this game. We created 4 clear-cut chances, maybe took 3, missed 1. And that is exactly what you need in such games. It's going to be tricky. It was a tricky opponent today, a tricky match, but we managed to pull through, and that is what's important, us through to the next round.
And in terms of, I was saying to Coach Hlungwane now as well, that they started well, did Baroka. Did that force Pirates to think outside the box in terms of how they're going to break the deadlock?
Yes, definitely. And you see in the quality of players that we have within the group, each and everyone's performance, everyone raised their hand for the next game as well. So coach has a good headache, going into the next game on Wednesday. Good performance from the guys, and yeah, that's what we wanted, just to go through to the next round.
Just take me through the goals as well. As I said, a second hat-trick for you this season. You did speak earlier on in the season about trying to continue the goal-scoring form, and you scored 3 today.
Yes, definitely. I'd like to give thanks to the group, the support that they give me. They share the ball with me. They want me to score these goals, so I can only repay them by scoring the goals and winning us games like this.
Congratulations, Tsecho, and good luck going forward trying to defend the trophy.
Thank you so much.
Polished performance all around. I'm sure when you dissect it, you will look at some corrections as well. But take me through both halves where Baroka started strong, but you had plans in terms of unlocking them and ultimately winning the match.
Yeah, a lot of possession, I think, in the first half. Quite a lot of chances as well, but not really comfortable. After the 2-0, I think we didn't start bad the second half, but we were trying to play to something that we are not used to play, which is more about temporize and try to control more the game in our side instead of trying to beat their press in the second half. Was much more exaggerated, and we're still trying to play short, giving us some problems in the build-up, and as a consequence they managed to score 1 goal and create a couple of chances. It's something that we need to do better next time.
And then in terms of those goals, I was saying to Tsecho now, a group effort, a team effort, and the third one, as I said to him, a bit of individual brilliance from Tito to lay it off and for Tsecho to finish strong.
Yeah, as long as football is a collective sport, no doubt. In the end, wherever you have a look in the big teams, the ones who has to make the difference in the end are the individuals. We have a good group of talent up front. Today was Chejo, other days is Mahopa, hopefully Radio soon, Tito, Rele, Dion as well. We have many players who can make the difference on the day. So happy for Chejo, because it's not easy for the strikers to not scoring, and today is a good boost for him and for the team.
And also this game gave you an opportunity, once you were in the lead, to give a few players a run in. Kim Vudi, a lot of people believe he's got potential, but unfortunate not to get enough minutes at the moment.
It's not easy to get minutes in Pirates. They fighting for minutes with players who are doing so well. They must be patient, use the opportunities like today. We're going to the last 4 months of the competition, and we know that we will need them, all of them. 20 minutes, 10 minutes can be crucial in the type of games that we are about to play from now on. And happy to have the opportunity today to give them some space for showcase their football. It's not easy to come from long periods that you are not on the field, like Philip, Innocent, Karim as well, and perform in the level that they could, but at least they have an opportunity to say, I'm here, and it's going to be good for the team in the future.
The drum is calling you, coach, and good luck in trying to defend this trophy 3rd time in a row.
Thank you so much.
Coach Hlungwane, you tried as hard as you would have liked to progress in this cup competition, but it was a tough day at the office.
Yeah, a tough one. We had a bad start, especially first half. A lot of turnovers and forced errors, the anxiety there, couldn't control it. I think where we give them the possession, and if you play you give it cheaply. If you play the team like this caliber of Orlando Pirates, I think you have to be smarter, you know. But I think it's a lesson learned. At some point, you know, our players need to learn to interpret the rhythm of the game. When to make your 2 touches, 3 touches, run with the ball, in which zones, you know. Like we're like all over first half, you know. I think, but better second half, you know. Can't falter the boys. A lesson learned. Sometimes you need to learn the hard way, and we learned the hard way because of, if you can look at our goals. The first one, I think, from Otto, defend the goal side. The second one, you know, pressure on the ball, you know. The third one, you know, the defenders the center backs are holding the line, and the full back, you know, is playing them on side. You know, you are running with some ball, play him on side, stay on the line, you know. And then that's the smart defenders. But I think we're playing a tactical side. They were tactical superior, especially second half. And you could see the fluidity in the progressions, you know, how they open those spaces. It was lovely to watch. But, you know, the boys, they give their best. I think we learn a lot, and they will give our best.
Yeah, you think that's where you lost it? Because the first 20 minutes, a lot of people were thinking Pirates might be up against it as well.
Yeah, I think we spoke about this thing, you know, if we can have a good start. Unfortunately, you know, as a coach, you know, this kind of atmosphere, you only have a minimum impact. You know, when the game started, you know, it belongs to the players. You know, they must not allow the message to expire with easy. You know, they keep it there. But unfortunately, it wasn't to be. You know, first half it wasn't to be. Honestly, we could have done better.
Unlucky, and good luck in your championship to try and get promoted back to the top flight.
Yes, I would take these lessons. You know, we move on. You know, we are playing a very good side, and congratulations well done to Orlando Pirates, and then we should wish them all the best.